Hey guys, so today I have this cell phone booster that I want to show you. So this is going to be installed right on top of your roof in the direction of this cell tower. Actually is going to show you exactly how to do it. So you are going to want to read the instructions so that you can figure out exactly how to install it and which direction you're going to want to point it. Otherwise, it's not going to work very well for you. So it's going to come with a indoor antenna as well as your outdoor unit. And the outdoor unit here, you're going to want to point in the direction of the tower. You are also going to have everything that you need to install it. Okay, so very simple. The cord's going to be plenty long to be able to reach from the antenna on the roof to the antenna in the house. So in this, you can either mount right on the wall, which is probably going to be the easiest thing to do, or if you just want to set it somewhere on a countertop, or if you have a shelf or something like that, that's going to work as well. So I'm going to go ahead and get it installed, and then we will go from there.
So you're going to want to make sure you find a good spot on the roof and face the antenna out towards the tower. You guys are going to mount it in the direction of the cell phone tower, just like that. And then you have your cord here. So however you want to do this, if you want to run it down the front of the house or if you run it in through a window, either way, you're going to be able to start using your antenna. So guys, this is what it's going to look like. You're going to attach the antenna that's provided onto one side and then your cable from your antenna on the other side. You're also going to want to make sure that this box is behind the antenna. You don't want it in front of it. And when you're ready, you'll follow the instructions for if you have an iPhone or an Android. Once you're all set up, you're going to call the number that is provided, and it's going to provide you with a few screens to check your cell service. So this is going to help to boost voice and data signal. So it's going to improve your data speeds and reduce your dropped calls. Also, it's going to help to improve your productivity, efficiency, and safety by ensuring you're connected at all times. So once you guys dial the number, you're going to see your dashboard prior to the antenna usage. You'll then place it in airplane mode and back out, and then you will look at your speeds afterwards. So you can see that my speeds on my phone have increased greatly and my signal has improved. So I have 4.5 bars here, but we've now increased our frequency band from 2 to 3 to 66. So this is going to be a great antenna.